Samadhi first, yoga to maintain. Yoga later. एक्सपीरियंस तक नहीं पहुंचते, वो ज़्यादा फास्ट।
Sorry.
एक्सपीरियंस से पहुंचते वो ज़्यादा फास्ट पड़ेगा।
But when you converse or whatever day-to-day stuff, that you still able to do the
All the time. See, it's
Who is Prachna?
well.
Did you-
right now when
when-
I'm talking to you,
correct.
I'm dealing
Samadhi is
with
no thought sound.
Guys. Fantastic question. You are recording? You are recording?
Start.
Fantastic question. What happens when we are interacting, talking? Are you still able to maintain the same awareness and the same? Do you remember the first day you started to learn how to drive? याद है? वो कैसे याद है?
muscle memory.
वो दिन का गाड़ी के नीचे एक एक आया हुआ पत्थर साला बॉडीली इंटेलिजेंस की मेमोरी में स्टोर्ड है, करेक्ट? उसके बाद इट इज टेकन ओवर बाय द कॉन्शियसनेस, अवेयरनेस गया, करेक्ट? देन
Become unconsciously professional.
you become unconsciously professional. Now, today, I know and you know कि in one hand you have your phone, in the other hand you have your cup of coffee, ठीक है? There is music playing loud also, correct? And only God is driving the car. Right? How did you manage to do that? Bodily intelligence, awareness intelligence has taken over. Correct? The same way, this process also, मैंने क्या बोला? 50 times करो, 100 times करो, कल दोपहर को 1 बजे तक है हम साथ में। आपका काम सिर्फ इतना ही करना है। ये करते रहो, करते रहो, करते रहो, ये पकड़ में आ गया, बाकी सब चीज ऑटोमेटिकली पकड़ में आ जाएगी। Automatically that awareness develops. And the more in tune you are with what is happening in your mind and your body continuously. If I know myself, or if I know this body, I know everybody. How do you really think I'm able to look at someone or catch the pulse of someone and tell you कि बस ये emotion, ये thought, ये ऐसा ऐसा तुम्हारी लाइफ में चल रहा है? I am more focused about what I am in tune with. If I know this body, I know everybody automatically. Okay. So it is a very different state. In fact, unconscious communication भी कम हो जाएगा, mundane communication भी कम हो जाएगा। मतलब क्या ही समझ में आ गया ना, हो गया ना। एक इशारा is also more than sufficient. जैसे me and Ganpat, we are at the clinic all day long. I think at best what we communicate through the day is good morning and good night. बाकी 97% चीजें तो खाली इशारा किया, उसको प्रोटोकॉल समझ में आ गया। मैंने नाड़ी चेक किया, मैंने उसको बताया भी नहीं है कि इसको पेशेंट को क्या है, उसको खाली इशारे में खाली एक नज़र से उसको बताऊंगा ये वाला एक्सेस लगा के वो हो जाएगा। नो, ही नोज हाउ टू चेक द नाड़ी, ही नोज हाउ टू डू एवरीथिंग। वो इशारा काफ़ी है। यू डोंट इवन हैव टू स्पीक दैट, यू डोंट हैव टू कम्युनिकेट अननेसेसरली। Practice. Automatically the awareness will pick it up. The moment that is picked up, your soul accepts it. The more you do this, your soul starts accepting it. It starts appreciating the effort, in which case the soul starts taking over. Like guys, बहुत हो गया भाई ego mind का कलाकारी, अभी मेरा टाइम है। The moment that starts happening, you will also find कि you stop falling down. That awareness जो गिर जाती है बार बार, और we lose, most people lose their sense of awareness. That also slowly stops. Where is everybody?
I can connect with what you said. I mean, if I can just share.
Please.
Generally when जब भी मोबाइल इतना फाइन नहीं लगता, right? So I used to get out of my office, get on a call with somebody, some friend or somebody, आई डोंट नो हाउ आई रीच्ड होम. घर आने के बाद पार्किंग में लगाने के बाद मेरे को लगता है अरे पहुंच गया, बट मेरे को ये नहीं मालूम कि मैं सैन पार्क किया,
Exactly.
टर्न मारा, ये मारा, एंड आई हैव रीच्ड होम. सो
Correct.
इट्स समवेयर लाइक अनकॉन्शियसली यू आर ड्राइविंग
Correct.
एंड यू नो द रूट.
And that is also the reason why I will reshare something what Vijay shared in the morning. Never become a creature of habit. Okay. Every day there is a different awareness technique that you should practice. Okay. They say what he said. Discipline, yes, it is necessary. But variation in discipline is more necessary. Every day he says, कभी मैं बर्ड वॉचिंग को निकल जाता हूँ, कभी मैं वॉक को निकल जाता हूँ, कभी स्विम को चला जाता हूँ, कभी ये करता हूँ, कभी वो करता हूँ. But the underlying current, what is he really doing? He is maintaining this awareness through different activities. Okay? When you start doing that, you will also start observing. The day I went bird watching, automatically I was breathing athletic breathing, which is the second layer. Okay. I am active, but at the same time, if I want to capture the bird, I am active, but I am very calm. What does it say? Proper athletic breathing, but present organizer. You are in the present. You are organizing things. Correct? You are highly active at the same time. Suppose he is going for a blind walk. He decides चलना चालू किया, आज डिसाइड किया 3 घंटा नॉन स्टॉप चलते रहूंगा, किधर पहुंचेगा पता नहीं. ठीक है. And what if there is something going on in his head, and that is why he wants to walk it off, and that is why he automatically decides, look, your organs, your brain receives 97% of information from the organs, okay, and only 3% actually directly from outside. Let's say he's angry on something. Let's say one of his deals is stuck. So automatically सुबह को विजय में think intuition आया मेरे को, and he'll say, I thought कि आज मैं 4 किलोमीटर 5 किलोमीटर मैं 3 घंटा खाली walk करूँगा, because the body is saying walk it off, and so he's listening to the body. That is what I keep insisting on as intuitive intelligence. Okay, listen to it. Body is saying walk it off. Through that entire process, for the first 1 hour, he is probably doing emotional breathing, which is at the solar plexus. Walking it off. Target है. इधर तक अपने को वो वहाँ पे गुफा है, वो गुफा तक चल के पहुँचने का है. गांव वाले बोलते 4 घंटा लगता है, मेरा टारगेट है 2.5 घंटा. ठीक है. The first 1 hour he is burning it away, burning the emotional. So he's breathing only from the solar. The moment he reaches the destination and he suddenly forgets, why did I start brisk walking? And when he sits down over there and he probably finds a beautiful tree out there, he goes, and automatically comes here. Okay, fulfillment is achieved. Okay, the karma is dissipated. In stock markets, we have a theory called as time and price have to cancel each other out in the future. If something as an event has happened today, a wave has begun, it will go and become zero again at a future date and point in time. Okay. The same way, that is exactly, let's say I started something in 2014 with Vijay. Okay. I started conducting first small seminar kind of things with Vijay. Okay. And then for 5-6 years, we were just Facebook Insta friends. Okay. But I obviously, on my peripheral vision, he was always around. And then over the next 5-6 years, I was preparing something. And then I came back and I'm like, Vijay, you know what? Abhi asli maal taiyar hai. Okay. The real essence is here. Now let us sit back together. Now let us integrate. Let's bring this forward back to people again. Over the last 5-6 years, he was also preparing in his own method. The paths were different, but then it all comes back again. Something which started in 2014 comes back to mate and start another wave in 2022. And that is how I observe things. That's how things are. Okay.